Good morning students. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 9th chapter 3 elementary concepts of objects and classes. Today we are having practical day and we are going to discuss the program to find the area and perimeter of a circle. To find the area and perimeter of circle we have to start with our BlueJ application. So firstly we will discuss some steps today, like how to start BlueJ, how to open an existing project, how to create a class and how to compile a program. As earlier we have done how to create a new project, but this time we are going to open an existing project. Means if already project is created in our BlueJ window, we will open the same project and create a new class in the existing project. So steps to start BlueJ is click on start button, click on all programs, click on BlueJ and click on BlueJ. Steps to open an existing project. Click on project menu, click on open project option, select the project and click on open button. This way we can open an existing project and create a new class. Now students, we will move to the BlueJ window. As you can see that already one project is opened in our screen. As we have to open the existing project, so we will click on project menu, click on open project option, select the required project and click on open button. You can see that our project is opened with one program that we have already created, but we have to create a new program. So we will click on new class button and write our class name. As we have to create a program to find the area of circle, so we will write our class name is circle and click on OK button. So a new class is created on our screen with lines on there. Now we will double click on our class icon. Now we will select the class code with Ctrl+A and press the delete key. Now we will write our program. We will write public class circle. Public means a keyword and a specifier. Class means the keyword that is also that is telling that we are going to create a new class, and circle is the name of program. Enter. Then curly bracket start, this is the class bracket, then public static void main. Public again is a keyword and main is the main function. Then round bracket start, round bracket close, enter, curly bracket start. Now we have to find the area and perimeter of a circle. Now the value of pi is 3.14. So here instead of int data type we have to take the float and double data type. Float data type is used float, then radius is equal to any value we can take, like 5 or 6, any radius you can take of circle. Float we are using the data type when we have to take the input value or we have to get our result in decimal value. For that purpose we are using the float data type. Again we will write double area. Double is the again data type to get the decimal value, means after the decimal point the more digits are there. For that purpose we are using the double data type. And area means that we have to find, that is a variable name. Area is equal to 3.14 multiply radius semicolon. Then again we will write double data type. Perimeter that we have to find is equal to 2 multiply 3.14 multiply radius. So the area formula is area of circle is pi r square and the perimeter of circle is 2 pi r semicolon. Now both result we have to print on the screen. So we will write system dot out dot println. System is a class, out is the output function, and print means to print the result on the screen, and ln means next line round bracket start double quote start the area of circle is equal to double quotes close. This is a message in double quotes, plus is the concatenation operator, and then area that we have written here double round bracket close semicolon. Then system as will be capital, system dot out dot print ln, again round bracket start double quote start the perimeter of circle is equal to round bracket double quote close plus perimeter round bracket close semicolon. Enter. So now after this press enter and we will close the two brackets. We can close the brackets in the same line or in the different line. Then click on compile button to find out the errors. See, it is coming class compile, no syntax error. Then click on close button. The program is there. Now you will right click on our program and click on void main. See, the result is there on the screen. The area of circle is equal to 78.5 and the perimeter of circle is 31.4, so on 0 and 2. This way we can find the area and perimeter of circle. So we will close this window and come back to our previous screen. So students, this way you can create again one more program to find the area and perimeter of square. Area of square is equal to side into side, the value of side you will input, and perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side to find the perimeter of square. So student, do the practice of these two programs carefully, and thank you very much.